Street, the sign leaning low, 10 calls by noon, that's how it go. One brick house, 2 blocks from the rail, everybody want it, so the price gon' sell. Old man said, son, that's simple math, more hands reaching, less on the path. When the porch paint peels and the yard stay neat, folks start circling like they smell heat. If the land stay tight, the bids climb high. If the homes run thin, they don't sit by. You can feel that pull in a seller's grin and a buyer's sigh when the race begins. Supply and demand, that's the game. Supply and demand, know the name. One house left, 10 more want in. Price goes up when the hope runs thin. Supply and demand, that's the road. Supply and demand, supply and demand. Watch it low in this town, that's how it goes. I seen a lot on a 2-acre spread, fresh white trim and a red barn shed. 2 offers in before the ink dried, 3 more after with a bigger pride. If a block gets hot, folks move fast. Builders slow down, the lean years last. More rooftops needing and lots in sight. That squeeze can turn a deal uptight. When the work trucks leave and the cranes go down, that empties out the edge of town. But if new homes rise and the roads keep pace, then the pressure eases in that place. Supply and demand, that's the game. Supply and demand, know the name. One house left, 10 more want in. Price goes up when the hope runs thin. Supply and demand, that's the road. Supply and demand, supply and demand. Watch it load in this town, that's how it goes. Mama said, don't buy it with your heart alone. Look at the roof, the tax, the bones. A pretty front door can still mean pain if the market turns like summer rain. So I watch the listings, I watch the trend, count the lots where the pavement ends. When demand keeps knocking and supply stays shy, that's the kind of tide that can lift you high. Supply and demand, that's the game. Supply and demand, know the name. One house left, 10 more want in. Price goes up when the hope runs thin. Supply and demand, that's the road. Supply and demand, supply and demand. Watch it load in this town, that's how it goes.